You have to try my cheesy potato crocchette because they're easy, quick, and mamma mia. All you have to do is mash your boiled potatoes in a bowl, add some cornstarch, parmigiano, and a pinch of salt and olive oil like there is no tomorrow. Finally, scoop out your potato mix, add some cheese, cover with egg and breadcrumbs, and fry for a couple of minutes or until super sexy.